Be careful not to make this mistake with your Shopify gift card. Now, on the Shopify page, it can be a little bit deceiving. So it has the compare at price that you can add to your gift card prices, but just don't ever use that box because it seems like you can make it appear like your gift cards are discounted. But this price section is what determines what the price of your gift card that is sent to the customer will be. So even if you came through, let's say in my example here, we have a $10 one, and let's say I want to put the price at $7.50, and I'm going to put that compare at 10 and make it look like it's discounted, the customer will still only get $7.50. I feel like it's confusing and kind of deceiving that this compare at price is even on these pages on Shopify. And the only reason why I found out this doesn't work is because a viewer was kind enough to leave me a comment on a video where I was going over this, and they were saying that it was not working, that the customers were getting this price, that they were not getting the discounted price of the $7 and getting a $10 gift card like you would maybe expect. So I'm just going to show you a test order of this. So I'm going to hit save. I'm going to go back and I'm just going to show you this preview really quickly. So this is what I mean in this example. So we can have this $10 gift card, or it appears like a $10 gift card. You can set the price lower than how it shows in your title and then your compare at price. So in this example, I put it at $7.50, and then that compare at price I put at the original price of $10. And in my mind, let me go back. In my mind, I thought that this compare at price, or really this value, would be what determines the actual value that the customer gets. And to me, it makes most logical sense that this value does, but really this is just so you can type in whatever you wanted. Like you could put $10 in credit or something, and then this would show up on the page. So I kind of get now where, since you can customize this so much, why they don't make this the value, because they're not just telling you to only put in a number. So how are they really supposed to know what you type in? Because let's say I did put the wording of $10 in credit, and then we preview, see where it will show up more different, which I wouldn't recommend putting the in credit. That doesn't really make much sense. But I'm going to show you now a test order that if you were to purchase this as a customer, this would make you think that maybe you're going to get a $10 gift card for $7.50, but you're actually only going to get a $7.50 gift card for $7.50. So now I'm on my website. I'm going to show you a test order of ordering that $7.50 gift card. So here's it right here. We have it for $7.50. The compared as $10. I'm going to add this to my cart. And I'm going to go in the cart. I'm going to do checkout. I'm going to enter this information all very quickly. And then up here you can still see the $7.50, the $10 in credit. I still have that weird wording on there. I didn't change that back. And it's saying our total is $7.50. Okay, so now I filled out the test order. So I've just put in the test gift card number, and I've put in a fake address. I'm going to hit pay now. So now it is shown up with that order of $7.50. Now I'm going to go into my Shopify backend. I'm going to show you that this order showed up as a gift card of $7.50. So from the home, I'm going to go into my products, and then I'm going to click into gift cards. And then you will see right here, so this first one is that test order that I made. So it is saying that the amount is $7.50, and there's $7.50 left on it. None of it was used yet. So even though you may think you can make it look discounted on that gift card page, the only real way to discount a gift card is to give a discount code for the gift card. So you have to go over here and create a discount code in that discount code section. I did talk to Shopify support, and the customer service person I talked to was really great. And they did agree that they don't think that, here, let me go back to it. The customer support person I talked to doesn't think that this compare at price section should even be on the page. So they did submit a recommendation to have that removed. It would be a little nice if there was wording or something that maybe said that this value does not actually dictate what the value is that your customer will get, that this price is what determines the price or the value of the gift card that your customer will actually get. So I just want to make this video because I wanted to save any of you from assuming that that would work, where if you add the compare at price, and then if you had a bunch of customers shop on the page that way, you know, you'd have a bunch of extra gift cards you would have to issue and send out to customers. That way they'd have the appropriate value of gift cards.